G'day viewers, Chris Atkins here. Welcome back to my channel, The Car Wash Chronicles. Like the title of this video reads, I didn't want to do it, but I have to do it. Everything else is going up. Prices are going up, bills are going up, utilities, water, electricity, my rent is going up. So in order for me to stay with the times, stay profitable, I have to raise my prices. I'm $2 for 4 minutes currently. I'm going to change them to $3 for 5 minutes. So it's an extra $1, but it's also an extra minute. So it's not that big of a deal. I think $3 to start a car wash is pretty reasonable these days. $3 to wash your car, and you can in 5 minutes. Unless you have a big, huge truck, then it might take a little longer. But a normal 4-door sedan, you can wash pretty good in 5 minutes. Well, I can anyway. I don't know if Edwin can. Edwin, can you wash a 4-door sedan in about 5 minutes?
The what?
I'm going to show you guys exactly how we're raising our prices, $1, and we're going to put all new stickers, make the faceplates nice and shiny, looking good, and try and keep this guy out of trouble.
Well, you're talking me when I'm working, so...
Alright, well, let me ignore you then, and you can do your job.
Yeah, exactly.
Alright, let's get to it. What are we doing?
We're gonna make this faceplate brand new again.
Brand new again. So we're gonna have to...
So I take this one first.
Take that off. I mean, this was all kind of messed up.
Yeah, so it needs a little love. That's it. We're gonna grind it off, you know. Gonna make it like...
We're gonna shine it up real nice, just like The Rock does. Yeah. Make it look nice and new. We're gonna put new stickers. Let me show you the new stickers. All right, so here's the new stickers. Check them out. Smell like onions.
I smell like onion somewhere.
Check this out. What do we got? We got rinse, we got wax, degreaser, tire cleaner, air dry, and the most important ones, the pricing. $3 for 5 minutes. So you can see on bay 4 here, this one's really kind of looking pretty dirty. You know, I've let it go. It's been like this. I think I changed these once in 3 years. These are put on about a year ago. So it just wears out over time, and once it looks pretty tacky, then it's time to fix it up. I mean, preferably before it gets really tacky and ugly looking, you want to fix it, you know, so it's always looking good. But, you know, I kind of let it go a little bit, and now it's time to fix them up. And we check out bay 5. Bay 5 is not too bad looking. There he is, taking off the old stickers, cleaning it up. Got the blade.
Real simple, you know. Little tricky, but it's worth it. It's gonna look nice.
Fire it up. Go. Nice and straight?
Nope.
What do you mean? No, that's super straight.
That's not a straight, bro.
It is straight.
Up. That's a straight right there.
I think you got crooked eyes.
Cricket?
Alright, that's pretty good. Start with stop.
Maybe one of these days we can do a live, bro.
I don't know if I can trust you on the live. Might say some wild stuff.
Yeah, bro, drinking wine.
Right. Stop.
Imagine.
People don't want to see you on live.
Yeah, hell yeah. They're gonna look me all like all makeup, you know.
You're gonna get your eyelashes done?
Yeah, bro. More handsome than what I am right now.
Do your fingernails?
Yeah, everything, bro. I always, you know, on camera on sweaters and.
Oh, so you're a little self-conscious about how you look.
No, never self-conscious. Just like they never see me like.
All done up in a suit?
Yeah, bro. All done up.
Do you guys want to see Edwin done up in a suit?
Yeah. Thank you for watching.
High pressure soap. Soap brush. Are you happy with it? Looking
Yeah,
good?
looks good, bro. Looks good to me.
How's that?
Right there. Nope. There you go.
Happy now? Happy?
Really happy.
Wax. There?
A little no.
There?
No, right there.
Spot free. Oh, you're not happy with it? What's the matter?
I want to say something in Spanish and you guys comment below and tell Chris what I say. Chris, necesitas un corte de pelo. Okay? Let him know what I say, okay, guys?
Did you say Chris is awesome and he makes the best car washes in the world?
Well,
You must have said that.
you know, all the fans are gonna tell you what I say.
Either that or he said Chris is a complete jerk.
Never. Good.
Yeah. Push them all down.
Looks good, huh?
Yeah. There we go. Ready?
Wow!
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and change the time on how much it costs. This is the Dixmoor timer LED number 7. So let's take that off.
Wow.
So
Wow.
2 buttons on the back. We're gonna push this one and go to that's 30. So we're gonna drop that to 25,
Correcto.
just like that.
Just like that.
And number 8, that 8 is how
got-
many pulses it takes.
It's gonna increase, correct?
So we're gonna take that to 12.
Wow.
They're coming for you, run! The cops have found you. 11, 12. And that's as simple as it is to change the time.
Exit, please.
Deposit should say $3, and there you go.
There you go.
And that's as easy as it is to change the pricing from $2 to 3 minutes.
Yeah.
$2 to $3. 4 minutes to 5 minutes. So
Wow.
there we go.
See you in Vegas.
See you in Vegas. When it comes to changing the pricing on my MONEXgroup terminals, all I do is call them up and say I want to change them and give them the information I want to change it to. Basically, I'm just getting rid of this $2. But all I'm doing is taking that away. So they're going to do that on their end, and it might take a couple of hours. I called them up. They said, give us a few hours and they'll do it all for me. So it's that easy.
Wow.
It's the story of inflation.
Nervous on the camera.
The question is, the price is going up or is the dollar losing its value? Is that the question?
Comment below, okay?
I think the dollar's losing its value. But that's a whole nother topic. How's the car wash looking? Let's check it out. How's the car wash looking? Pretty good. Came here, there was a little bit of trash all over the ground, but we swept it up. We cleaned it up. I'll pick that up. We emptied the trash. Had a few customers this morning. Clearly had a few customers that are no good at basketball. We got this one. We got a Dr. Pepper. So there you go. Car wash is good, everything's working. Winter time, so takings are down a little bit, but that's expected because it's cold in the morning, cold in the afternoon. It's not too bad right now. It's about 60 and sunny. Looking forward to March, April, May, coming into the warmer weather. And with the new price increase, it should increase the revenue, and we're staying up with the times and the inflation. And Edwin's
Why you blaming Joe Biden all the time, bro? Why?
I never mentioned him once, but
You say inflation, that's
the
actually...
the biggest inflation is your pay. And his Bay 2 one we did earlier, look how shiny that thing is. The sun's glaring right off of it. We got the new stickers on. Sun is beaming. Let's check out Bay 1. Trust me, it doesn't look as good on camera as it does in person. On camera, it kind of looks a little janky, but real life, it's all smooth and shiny. I like it.
Go ahead.
Oh, okay, okay. I mean, that's pretty much it, guys. We increased the prices, we increased the time. We made the face plates all nice, just like you saw, ready for business. So I'm excited. We're gonna get through this winter pretty good, comfortably. And that's pretty much it for this video, I think.
Yeah, you guys remember, comment and share, because you guys gonna help us. Well, help out Chris. Me,
Yeah.
I already famous.
You got all the fans now.
Yeah. So.
Anyway, Edwin might start his own channel once he learns how to use a phone and a computer, but I don't think that'll ever happen.
You're totally right, brother.
Anyway, this is Chris Atkins and Edwin with the Car Wash Chronicles.
Thank you for watching, guys.